Lesson: industry-specific compliance issues, healthcare, finance, etc. Industry-specific compliance issues present significant challenges in sectors such as healthcare and finance. These industries are highly regulated due to the sensitive nature of the data they handle and the critical services they provide. Compliance in these sectors is not just about adhering to laws and regulations, but involves implementing systems and processes that ensure ongoing adherence to evolving standards. This lesson explores actionable insights, practical tools, and frameworks that professionals can utilize to navigate the complexities of regulatory and compliance risks effectively. In the healthcare industry, compliance with regulations like the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act is non-negotiable. HIPAA sets the standard for protecting sensitive patient information. Organizations must implement detailed compliance programs to prevent data breaches, which can lead to severe penalties and loss of trust. A practical framework for healthcare compliance involves risk assessment, developing a comprehensive compliance plan, training employees, and continuous monitoring. For instance, a risk assessment allows an organization to identify potential vulnerabilities in their data handling processes. Once risks are identified, a compliance plan that addresses these risks is developed. This plan includes policies and procedures for data protection, such as encryption and access controls. Employee training is crucial to ensure that staff understand their roles in maintaining compliance. Continuous monitoring, through regular audits and reviews, ensures that the compliance measures are effective and up-to-date. A case study illustrating the importance of compliance in healthcare is the 2017 data breach at Anthem Inc., where hackers gained access to the personal information of nearly 79 million individuals. The breach resulted in a $16 million settlement, the largest HIPAA settlement to date. This incident underscores the necessity of robust compliance measures and highlights the financial and reputational risks associated with non-compliance. Organizations can mitigate such risks by employing tools like compliance management software, which automates many aspects of compliance and ensures that policies are consistently applied across the organization. In the finance industry, compliance issues are equally critical, with regulations such as the Sarbanes-Oxley Act and the Dodd-Frank Act playing pivotal roles. These regulations aim to protect investors and ensure the integrity of financial markets. A practical approach to financial compliance involves implementing an internal control framework, such as the Committee of Sponsoring Organizations of the Treadway Commission framework. This framework provides guidance on designing and evaluating internal controls over financial reporting, which is crucial for SOX compliance. The COSO framework emphasizes 5 components: control environment, risk assessment, control activities, information and communication, and monitoring activities. By following this framework, organizations can develop a strong internal control system that helps prevent fraud and ensures accurate financial reporting. An example of a financial compliance failure is the case of Wells Fargo, where employees created millions of unauthorized accounts to meet sales targets. This scandal resulted in billions of dollars in fines and a significant loss of customer trust. To prevent such incidents, financial institutions must foster a culture of compliance where ethical behavior is rewarded and violations are promptly addressed. Compliance training programs, whistleblower policies, and regular audits can help reinforce this culture. The use of technology in compliance has become increasingly important across industries. Artificial intelligence and machine learning tools can enhance compliance efforts by automating routine tasks and identifying patterns that may indicate non-compliance. For example, AI can analyze vast amounts of data to detect unusual transactions in real time, which is particularly beneficial in the finance industry for preventing money laundering. Similarly, in healthcare, AI can help monitor patient data access patterns to identify potential breaches. These technologies enable organizations to respond quickly to compliance risks, reducing the likelihood of violations. Moreover, the integration of blockchain technology offers promising solutions for compliance challenges. Blockchain's decentralized and immutable nature ensures that records cannot be altered, providing a transparent and tamper-proof audit trail. This feature is particularly valuable in sectors like finance, where accurate record-keeping is essential for compliance with regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation. Blockchain can also streamline compliance processes by automating verification tasks, reducing the burden on compliance teams and lowering operational costs. Developing a comprehensive compliance strategy involves more than just implementing frameworks and technologies. It requires organizations to engage in continuous learning and adaptation to regulatory changes. This can be achieved through regular training programs and staying informed about industry trends and updates. Professional organizations and regulatory bodies often provide resources and guidance on compliance best practices, which can be invaluable for maintaining compliance. In conclusion, industry-specific compliance issues in healthcare and finance demand proactive and strategic approaches to risk management. By employing practical tools like compliance management software, frameworks such as COSO, and emerging technologies like AI and blockchain, organizations can effectively navigate regulatory challenges. Real-world examples, such as the Anthem data breach and the Wells Fargo scandal, demonstrate the severe consequences of non-compliance and the importance of a robust compliance culture. Ultimately, successful compliance requires ongoing commitment, continuous monitoring, and a willingness to adapt to the evolving regulatory landscape.